Good morning, everyone. This is me, Avishka, and the bulletin today starts with EPFO to launch app and debit card facility by mid 2025. IBM to launch 4,000 plus Qubit quantum computer in 2025. Zepto gears up for IPO with operational overhaul. Google Ads prepares for AI powered transformation in 2025. Starlink used in Manipur despite Indian ban. We have Samsung and Google which launch Eclipsa audio for immersive sound. Vivo targets Apple Vision Pro with mixed reality headset. Now, in the previous quiz, we asked you who is the father of computing. The answer is Charles Babbage. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. Who invented World Wide Web? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. Union Labour and Employment Minister Mansukh Mandavia announced that the Employees Provident Fund organization is set to introduce a new mobile app and debit card facility by May or June 2025. The IPFO 3.0 app will streamline banking services for subscribers, enabling simpler claims settlements. Discussions are ongoing with the Reserve Bank of India and Finance Ministry to finalize withdrawal limits, ensuring controlled access to funds without prior EPFO permissions. Additionally, the minister highlighted significant employment growth during the NDA government's tenure, with 17.19 crore jobs created from 2014 to 2024, marking a six-fold increase compared to the UPA era. Now, IBM is set to revolutionize quantum computing with its upcoming 4,000 plus qubit quantum computer leveraging the modular quantum system 2 architecture. This design integrates smaller processors to addressing scaling challenges like qubit coherence and connectivity. The system promises transformative impact across industries including healthcare, finance, and logistics, as well as AI, enabling advanced data analysis and optimization. However, challenges like error correction and skilled professionals remain. IBM's modular approach ensures scalability and readiness for future advancement, positioning the company at the forefront of quantum innovation. Now, quick commerce firm Zepto has registered Zepto Marketplace Private Limited to streamline operation ahead of its initial public offering. This move hints at a potential shift from its current B2B model to a marketplace approach. Aligning with its competitors like Blinkit and Swiggy Instamart, Zepto plans to file IPO draft documents by March-April 2025, following a $350 million funding round that increased its cash reserve to $1.4 billion. The company is also preparing to relocate its holding entity in India. Wall Street giants like Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs are engaged in discussion regarding the IPO, which aims to raise at least $450 million. Then we have Google Ads, which is set to revolutionize digital marketing with engaging AI-driven innovation in 2025, reshaping consumer search behavior. Key changes include the evolution of multimodal search experiences, AI-powered creative tools for advertisers, and enhanced measurement capability. The transformation aligns with Google CEO Sundar Pichai's strategy to scale Gemini, the company's AI platform. Advertisers will need to adapt quickly to these changes to stay competitive. The integration of AI is expected to redefine how customers discover products, requiring businesses to experiment with new tools despite initial challenges. The shift marks a significant milestone compatible to the mobile revolution. Then we have Elon Musk's satellite-based internet service Starlink, which is reportedly being used by militant groups in Manipur to bypass government internet shutdowns. Though Starlink is unlicensed in India, its devices smuggled from Myanmar provide connectivity in the conflict-ridden state. Local armed groups and civilians have used Starlink during prolonged internet blackouts, raising security concern. The internet government is investigating the misuse of Starlink devices, which have been found in other cases, including drug smuggling in Andaman and Nicobar Island. SpaceX has yet not commented on this issue, while India continues to scrutinize the service for regulatory approval. Now we have Samsung and Google, which have unveiled Eclipsa audio, an open-source 3D audio format set to feature on Samsung's 2025 TV and soundbar models. Unlike Dolby Atmos, Eclipsa audio allows creators to freely adjust sound intensity and spatial reflection without licensing fee. This format will also be available on YouTube for Samsung device users. Samsung sees Eclipsa audio as a significant step in enhancing immersive audio experiences, building on its refusal to adopt Dolby Vision HDR. Google hinted at a future browser support for Eclipsa audio, emphasizing its potential to inspire innovative audio creation amongst content creators. Last but not the least, Vivo plans to challenge Apple's Vision Pro with its own mixed headset reality, expected to debut as a prototype in the late 2025. The company aims to surpass Vision Pro in functionality and affordability, capitalizing on the growth of MR market. Vivo's dedicated MR team, now 500 members strong, underscored its commitment in the project. However, the headset's release depends on the readiness of supporting content ecosystem. High-fidelity prototypes will be tested across Chinese cities, positioning Vivo as a serious contender in the competitive MR space. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you follow IT Voice.